Hi there, crafty friends, and welcome to my channel. Let's make an easy fall decoupage project using rice paper. This is an easy project and great for beginners. I'll show you step by step. It's going to be fun, so if you're ready, let's make a mess. I got this cute little shadow box at Michael's for just 99 cents. I'm removing the tag on the back with my heat gun, and then I'm giving it a quick sanding. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to hear from you. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. It's always best to paint where you're going to decoupage the same color as the background on your napkin, or rice paper in this case. Rice paper is slightly translucent and the background paint can show through. So I'm painting my shadow box a vintage white. I let the paint dry for a couple of hours and now I'm getting ready to decoupage my picture. I'm separating the center picture from the rest of the paper by using a water brush. I don't want a sharp edge, so I'm going to tear the paper instead of cutting it. It blends in much better with the background when you tear it, and the water brush makes the paper easier to tear. If you don't have a water brush, you can use a paintbrush and some water. You'll get the same result. I'm painting the inside of the shadow box with some Mod Podge, and then I'll lay the picture down on top of the glue. I sprayed my picture with a little bit of water. It just makes it easier to work with, and it helps the glue soak into the paper a little bit better. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. By doing so, you help my channel to grow and reach more people out there. That way I can continue to bring all of you great tutorials. And thank you for doing that. I let that dry for an hour or so and then gave the inside area of the shadow box a coat of satin sealer. I want the shadow box to have a little bit of a distressed look, so I'm wiping it very lightly with a little bit of gel stain and a soft cloth. I'm getting it in the corner on the inside of the box, but I'm not putting it anywhere near the picture. I let that dry for about an hour and then sealed the entire shadow box with satin varnish. I'm using Sculpey oven-baked clay to make some witchy embellishments. I'm adding the clay to the mold, cutting off the excess with a palette knife, and then I'll bake it in the oven on 275 for 15 minutes, which is their instructions on the package. They're all baked and cooled down now. The oven-baked clay removes from the mold so nicely for small, fragile things. I'm cleaning up the edges with a nail file so they're nice and smooth. The heel broke on one of the little shoes and part of the broom, but I'll fix those as I'm gluing it onto the shadow box. I'm painting my little witchy embellishments now. I painted the frog green, the pumpkin orange, and I really didn't need to, but I gave the witch's hat and shoes just a quick coat of some black paint to make them look nicer. And after they dry, I'll give them all a coat of satin varnish. Now I'm going to antique them to make all the little details from the mold stand out. I'm using Folk Art Antiquing Medium in the color Cocoa Bean. I'm brushing it on and then immediately wiping it off with a paper towel. I have some great videos coming up. More fall and Halloween and some Christmas. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And click the bell if you want to be notified anytime I upload a new video. There's a little too much in the eyes and mouth of the pumpkins, so I'm getting some of that antiquing solution out of there with a paintbrush. And when the antiquing dries, I'll give them one more coat of satin varnish. I painted the buckle on the hat and the shoes gold, and now I'm going to add some gold rub to all the little witchy things to highlight them. I got these paper flowers at Hobby Lobby. I'll be using them and some dried filler. And now the fun part, putting it all together. I'm using my Shore Bonder cordless glue gun. It's so nice to work on a project without a cord getting in your way, especially when you're doing intricate work. There's a link in my description box under my favorite tools section. I love all the little witchy elements, especially the shoes. I have a burlap ribbon and a bright yellow ribbon that I'll put together to make an awesome bow for the top of this. What type of tutorial would you like to see more of? Mixed media and decoupage? Mason jar decorating, or more craft videos just like this one? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from all of you and look forward to reading all of your comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist.